Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Mind Boost, the place where we seek to empower and uplift each other to reach new heights. Today, I want to address a topic that many of us have experienced at some point in our lives: relationship breakups. But fear not, because together, we will navigate through these stormy waters and find the strength to move forward. Now, let me ask you a question. Are the memories of the past bothering you? Do they weigh heavy on your heart and mind, preventing you from embracing the present and looking towards the future? Well, my friend, it's time to break free from the chains that bind you and reclaim your power. Let's delve into this topic and find the motivation that will set you free. First and foremost, it's crucial to acknowledge that breakups can be incredibly challenging. They shake the very foundation of our emotions, leaving us feeling lost, hurt, and overwhelmed. But remember, you are not alone in this journey. Countless others have faced similar trials and emerged stronger on the other side. You have the power within you to do the same. When memories of the past come knocking on your door, it's important to take a step back and understand their purpose. Memories serve as a reminder of the experiences we've had and the lessons we've learned. They shape us into who we are today. But dwelling too much on the past can hinder our progress and prevent us from embracing the beautiful possibilities that lie ahead. Instead of allowing these memories to drag you down, shift your focus to the lessons they hold. Every relationship, no matter how it ends, provides us with an opportunity for growth. Reflect on what you've learned about yourself, your desires, and your boundaries. Use this newfound wisdom to build a stronger foundation for future relationships, one that aligns with your values and aspirations. It's important to recognize that healing takes time. Give yourself permission to grieve, to feel the pain, and to process your emotions. But remember, healing does not mean forgetting. It means acknowledging the past without letting it define your future. You have the power to create a new narrative, one that is filled with joy, love, and personal growth. In this process, surround yourself with a support system that uplifts and encourages you. Seek solace in the company of friends, family, and even professionals who can guide you through this challenging period. Share your thoughts and emotions, allowing others to offer their perspective and support. Together, you can find the strength to let go of the past and embrace a brighter future. Lastly, my dear friend, remember that your happiness is not dependent on anyone else but yourself. You possess an infinite reserve of strength and resilience. Believe in your ability to heal and move forward. Visualize the life you want to create for yourself. And take small steps each day to bring that vision into reality. Today marks the beginning of a new chapter in your life. Embrace the opportunities that lie ahead. Choose to focus on the present, where endless possibilities await. Remember, you are not defined by your past, but rather by the resilience you demonstrate in overcoming its challenges. So, my fellow mind boosters, let go of the memories that burden you, and let them serve as stepping stones towards a brighter future. Embrace the journey of self-discovery, personal growth, and new beginnings. Together, we will rise above the pain and unlock the true potential that lies within us. Thank you, and let's embark on this transformative journey together.